Oh, yes. A friend called me. She collected my number from TikTok and said, "Ma, please, where is your location? I want to come and learn how to make popcorn." I gave her my contact and gave her my address, and boom, here she is. She wants to learn how to make popcorn. Stay tuned and watch how everything goes. Yes, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for other people to benefit from it. Yes, we are making chocolate popcorn. Stay tuned and watch how everything goes. So in this pot now, we are going to pop 2 cups and we are going to make chocolates. So we are popping 2 cups of this. Gift. 2 cups of this. Half cup of 10,000. Half cup of plus rice when they give us. Ofugali. So now the pot comes back. These are the amount. So we are going to measure out half cup.
Good afternoon, sir. How's how you dey?
I want to carry my sister. She come from village.
Okay.
Thank you.
I go for.
My way.
So with this half cup of groundnut oil, we are going to use it to pop 2 cups of corn. So when you do this like this, when you add the oil, you allow the oil to heat very well. Just as if you want to make stew or you want to add tomatoes. So now the oil you have heat up, all is bubbling. Then at this point, anything you are adding, add it very fast. So at this point, you can shake it so that it won't start popping before you add everything. So we are, if it is 1 cup, we just add level sugar of this. For this one, we are popping 2 cups. So we'll add one of this and half of this cup. Just like popcorn. Many people, majority likes it sugar. So you can shake it so that it will stop, it calm it down, to stop popping. Then you add your this milk flavor. Just this inner part. Just small. So assuming we are making white, we are not adding any other thing, we just cover it. But since we are making chocolate, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate. Then if you want it more darker, more brownish, you add like 3 spoons. In case as that thing started popping, in case you are not fast enough, you can cover it and from here you add your chocolate, add your milk. Some people used to open it very big so that they will be able to be adding their sugar from here. This is how I got the pots. But if you like wider, you can open it bigger. Put the cover. Because if you leave it open, popcorn will be popping out from here. So you get a plate like this, a towel. But this one is good. Everything has dissolved, even that sugar. come dissolve. So the own is now to start turning it. I mean listening. It's video. In a turn here, in a listen. But some people will be wondering, how will you know when it is done? Just be listening as it's shouting now. When it pops small, turn it. Then if you don't have machine and you are popping on your stove or gas, it's your normal pot. Once it pops like this, you carry it up, drop it. Once it pops, carry it up, take it
If I don't have
grab. That is just the method of stirring it, turning it when you don't have this will stop it. If you are hearing the sound very well, so if you don't have this machine, you don't always carry it up and down. Carry it up and down. Carry it up and down. Drop it. Up. Carry it up. I think the sound is reducing. Are you hearing sound again? The office. Carry it up.
wow.
Then this is the chocolate. Hold the flaming agni. When add milk, it's always 2 spoons.
Okay, for this measurement.
Yes. And now mix it. So you see, so we can test it.
Is it not too hot?
No, it's not. Not so clear.